Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Well, I'm into the throes of getting my DIYs done, and my mind is swirling. I mean, fast. But I wanted to show you, I have another haul from Hobby Lobby. Not a big one, but a few things that I wanted to get for my gingerbread kitchen. My Santas, the majority of them will be in my living room and some in my dining room in the formal part of my house. I couldn't resist this guy. And the reason I got him is he's holding a gingerbread and a gingerbread cookie that says joy. Okay? And I can't believe I'm seeing glue on this. But they only had two of them, so I had to. And it's made of, not glass, but like ceramic. But I thought he was cute because I got dishes from the Dollar Tree that have the holly, which I think is cute. That would go, and like I say, the gingerbread. And this gingerbread is adorable. So I got him, and he will be in my kitchen along with his candy canes, which I'm going to put candy canes in here as well. So that is one thing I got. Oh, and this was $24.99, 50% off. I wouldn't pay full price. The other thing I got, they had a few of these, and they had bigger ones and smaller ones, and they had one that was kind of like a snow globe, and I kept going back and forth with that, but I ended up getting this one. Now, I am going to be making my own DIY faux gingerbread houses, meaning they won't be edible. They're not made out of gingerbread. I'm making them out of plaster of Paris and maybe cinnamon and applesauce and clay. This one, though, I really liked it. It's got the candy canes, which I'm going to be putting in to the kitchen, and gingerbread, of course. But, I mean, even these two together are adorable. They're adorable. And my tree in my kitchen will be a lot of candy canes and gingerbread men and cookie cutters. Now, last year, if you go to my home tour last year for my Christmas, it was more, how do I say it? It was kind of a rustic type gingerbread, meaning things that I made out of more of homespun, more muted colors, where this year I may go a little brighter since these are going to be, I don't know yet, but I'm thinking, until I get into making them, I'm not going to know. My mind right now is thinking it's going to be more of your traditional, this color, opposed to more of the muted. Again, we'll see. But here it says bakery, but the cute thing about this, it lights up. And I know you really can't tell that right now because it's daytime, but it is so cute. Because like I said, if I'm going to do something and I want it to be a certain theme, I've got to get the things to where it makes some kind of statement. You know, where you walk in, you go, oh, yeah, that's what this is. Oh, yeah, okay, she's decorating in a Santa theme, or she's decorating in a gingerbread theme, or whatever the case. When I first started out, when I was, young and, had no money, like I told you, my first Christmas tree I got truly, and I would give anything to find the picture that I had. I had a Polaroid picture of this tree, and for the life of me, I cannot find it. And I was just talking to my daughter about it the other day, and I got it from the side of a dumpster, and it was white flock, the ugliest thing you would ever want to see. And it tilted like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I didn't have many Christmas bulbs to put on it. It was just a mishmash. I mean, the ugliest tree you'd ever want to see in your life, but I would love to have that picture to show you guys. All that to say, obviously, as time has gone on, you know, when you get older, you start accumulating more things and you're able to decorate with more things. So, since I've been able to do that, you know, I like to make certain statements of my decor. So these two will go in my kitchen, along with other things that I make. Then I got, and this stuff isn't really thrilling, but I got this bottle brush. I love the feel of these, they're so soft. And this was $7.99 regular price, half off. So I don't mind spending that. I would not spend $7.99 for this. But and this thing's leaning over. That's kind of like my first tree, how it leaned over, actually. I'm not kidding. Oh, for corn's sake. Ah, for corn's sake. Oh well. Okay. And then I had to get more of my air dry clay, and it's white. Guys, this is what I make a lot of my embellishments for my faux food. This is what I make my crust out of for my faux food. I'll probably be using this, like I told you earlier, for my gingerbread. I'll probably use plaster of Paris and the air dry clay. I use this for my fruit, my faux fruit. You can use this clay for a lot of stuff. So if you like any of the DIYs that I do and you want to do some of them, I really suggest getting this. This was $6.99 and I used my 40% off coupon. Okay, get this. This I like better. I had Prima, I think it was paper clay. It was called paper clay. I don't know the difference, but I did not like it. It crumbled, it wouldn't stay, I did not like it, and it was expensive. This has served me well every time I use it. I have never been disappointed with this. So anyone that wants to do the faux food or embellishments, whatever, get this Crayola. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's. That's what I use. The other things now are decor pieces. I already have 3 of these, but I just got, do you see what I mean? How I'm going kind of more into the brighter red and whites opposed to the more muted this year, because if you see, this all kind of goes together. So I got one more of these, knowing that I already had 3 because I wanted 4 of them, and that was $2.99, 50% off. Then I'm going to make, well, let me show you. I'm going to make some of my own peppermints, okay? But I saw these and there was only 2 of them. And it was with this section of the decor at Hobby Lobby for the Christmas trees. And they're wood. I feel like wood. Anyway, they're little pieces, peppermint pieces. So I got these 2. These were $3.99 and then 50% off of that. But I got my, well, this is Primo. Well, I think it's made from Sculpey. Yeah, it is. But I'm going to make my own. I'll do a DIY on how to make your own candy canes and little candies like this, because I'm going to use these to decorate my DIY gingerbread houses, and probably put some in my tree in the kitchen. Then I went ahead and just got a couple of these, and this was from My Little Christmas at Hobby Lobby, and this was $2.99, 50% off that. And these are tiny little candies, and they look like candies that are wrapped in cellophane. You could so easily make these. And again, I got these. I'll look at these for patterns, but I will use them, obviously. You could make these out of the air dry clay or resin, whatever, very easily. And then just put a little glitter on for the sugar. and then take a little bit of cellophane. This is plastic, but you could get cellophane and wrap them like you would a candy. And then I just got these tiny little peppermint candies, and I'll use these also for my gingerbread houses. $2.99, half off of that. And then I got a bigger one as well. And then one more. I told you they had two, and that's all they had left. They had these two, and I thought, okay, better get them. Because I'm also going to be using, and that's why I got this also, because in my faux desserts, what I'm doing for Christmas, peppermint is going to be the theme, if you will, of what I'm doing. A lot of, as far as the faux cakes, shakes, hot chocolates, all that kind of stuff will be peppermint themed. So that's why I got that. That's it. That's it. And then I got some dowels because I'm doing some stuff that I needed dowels. So I got those. I got this Garland, and it's the, I don't even know what it is, but I like it. I like the color because this color will go perfect in my family room after Christmas. But it kind of hangs, and I'm going to get one more when they're on sale again. But it doesn't say, yeah, it doesn't say what kind it is, but if you look at it, it kind of is one that's going to hang down, if you will, a little bit. It's kind of mossy looking in a way. Anyway, I will get another one, and that will be then in my spring. I'll put this up. But I got that. And then I got, and I'll get one more of these too. I've gotten my, a lot of my pipberry from the Pipberry Farm, which they're really sweet people. But they had this, and I liked it because it had the bigger and the small in the white, because the one I have is cream, so I'll probably intermix these, but I will get one more of these as well. Go up after Christmas, okay? That's it, guys. That is my haul from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I showed you this or not, and if I did, forgive me. If I didn't, well, then cool. An at-home opened up, okay, and I did not go in there for months and months. Well, when your birthday comes around, you can go fill out something. I can't remember even what it was. I think it's just your email and your name. And then you get 20, I think it's 15 or 20% off what you purchase. So I went in knowing that I'm decorating again with the snowman theme, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I just got this snowman hat, and they had alphabets, but they didn't have an L, or I would have gotten it. So I just got an S for snow. But this is a snowman hat, and I am going to be making some snowman hats and decorate with them. And as you saw in some of my hauls, those little snowman hats that I absolutely love from Dollar Tree. Anyway, I got this. And then I got this, have a holly jolly Christmas, because remember that's what Frosty the Snowman sings. So I got that. And then I got this little snowman. And he has little wooden beads and spools for his legs. Isn't that cute? And then he has fur on his little shoes. And then this little fur jacket with the little, it's cute, scarf. And his hat. So I got him so I can set him down on a chair or something. So those are the three things that I got. And then I got, like I said, I can't remember. I can't remember if it's 15 or 20% off of the purchase. And oh, he was $9.99. The hat was $6.99. And this plaque was $12.99 again, and then 20% off the whole purchase. So that is my huge at-home buy. So I just wanted to show you that. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. You're one of a kind, and be proud of that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.